Have you ever wondered if AI can help you quickly turn customer insights into actionable product features? In this lesson, we'll explore how to use a prompt in ChatGPT to generate a Kano model. This model categorizes product features into basic, performance, and excitement categories, helping teams prioritize what truly matters to users. If you're a product manager, business analyst, or product owner, this step will show you how to move from prompt to practical output fast. Let's get started by running the prompt. Now, the next step is to actually use the ChatGPT GenAI prompt generated in the last video to generate various sections of the Kano model. Let's do that together. I'm going to copy the prompt we've created for the Kano model, and we'll go to ChatGPT to start a new thread or chat. The reason for that is we're producing this Kano model for the Ryanair style airline for the first time. We haven't created any product management deliverables for this product before, which is why I'm using a new chat window. I've started a new chat window and now I've pasted the prompt we generated for the Ryanair style website. I'm going to post it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT has started generating a response. If you look carefully, it has generated the headlines for each section. For example, under basic features, it has given the headline low-cost fares. In addition to that, it has provided descriptions for each headline. For low-cost fares, it says, competitive pricing to attract budget-conscious travelers, transparent pricing with minimal hidden fees, point-to-point connectivity, online booking and check-in, seat allocation, and on-time performance. So ChatGPT has given us the headlines along with detailed descriptions for each. Look at the excitement features as well. It has provided headlines like customizable ancillary services, in-flight entertainment options, and exclusive loyalty programs, along with descriptions for each of them. The same approach is followed for performance features. So what I'm going to do now is port all this information into the industry standard Kano model PowerPoint template. While doing that, I've used our Kano model template for our new airline. What I'm doing here is keeping the detailed descriptions inside the notes section of the deck and only writing the headlines of the features on the slide itself. So that's what I'm going to do now, port them one by one. Now I have ported the response generated by ChatGPT into our Kano model template. I've taken only the feature headlines, discarded the detailed descriptions, and mapped each feature to the respective graph lines. I've mapped all the excitement features to the green line, performance features to the purple line, and basic features to the blue line. Here's what we did in this session. We ran our Kano model prompt in ChatGPT for a Ryanair style airline. ChatGPT produced categorized feature sets, basic, performance, and excitement with both headlines and supporting details. You learned how to transfer this output into a presentation format by keeping headlines on the slide and storing details in notes. This process makes GenAI output immediately usable in stakeholder-facing documents. Well done. You've just seen how to go from a structured prompt to a Kano model ready for presentation. In the next lesson, we'll review the generated Kano model and evaluate whether the features align with real-world expectations and user needs. See you in the next video.